Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. On August 22nd, 2017, the 5-judge bench of the Supreme Court pronounced its decision in the Triple Talaq case, declaring that the practice was unconstitutional by a 3:2 majority. Triple Talaq or Talaq-e-Biddat is a practice that allowed a Muslim man to instantaneously and irrevocably divorce his wife by saying the word talaq 3 times successively. Ms. Saira Banu filed a petition in the Supreme Court challenging the practice. She argued that it violates Muslim women's right to equality among other constitutional freedoms. This argument was supported by several who intervened in this case. The 5-judge Constitution Bench of the Supreme Court heard the matter from May 11, 2017. After 6 days of arguments from both sides, it reserved the case for judgment. The court directed the Parliament to take legislative measures against the practice of triple talaq. Justices Rohinton Nariman and UU Lalit held that talaq-e-biddat is regulated by the Muslim Personal Law Shariat Application Act 1937. They held the practice is unconstitutional because it is manifestly arbitrary in nature. Justice Kurian Joseph, on the other hand, in his concurring opinion, noted that triple talaq is against the Quran and thus lacks legal sanction. He wrote, "What is held to be bad in the Holy Quran cannot be good in Shariat, and what is bad in theology is bad in law as well." Notably, the dissenting minority opinion of Chief Justice Kheher and Justice Abdul Nazir traced the elevation of personal law to the status of fundamental rights in the Constituent Assembly debates on Articles 25 and 44. They held that triple talaq is not regulated by the Shariat Act of 1937 but is an intrinsic part of personal law. Thus, it is protected by Article 25. Further, the solution to the gender discriminatory practice of talaq-e-biddat is legislative action and not a challenge to its constitutionality. The minority opinion proposed that triple talaq be made inoperative for 6 months from the judgment. In this time, the Parliament must frame a law governing triple talaq. However, as the majority opinion has explicitly outlawed triple talaq, this directive holds no force. This act was enacted to protect the rights of married Muslim women and to prohibit divorce by pronouncing talaq by their husbands and to provide for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto. This act declared talaq as void and illegal, and many pronouncement of talaq by a Muslim husband upon his wife by words either spoken or written or in electronic form or in any other manner whatsoever shall be void and illegal. It also provides for the protection of the rights of married Muslim women. Stop.